Spotless 3-bedroom and 2.5 bath 1,786 square feet 2-story home located in East Turlock's Berkeley Woods community, near Emanuel Medical Center, schools, and Markley City Park. This well-maintained planned unit development features townhomes on low-maintenance lots. HOA dues include water/sewer/garbage, structure insurance, front landscaping, road maintenance, and access to private association swimming pool. Kitchen opens to dining area and family room with vaulted ceiling, and dual-sided fireplace with gas logs. Windows are fitted with custom plantation shutters/shades. Upstairs loft ideal for home office or kids play area. Low-maintenance backyard offers covered patio that opens to the family room. Definitely a move-in ready home.